Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in this Google Classroom series, in our today's video we are going to see how we can add students in Google Classroom. So let me show you practically how you can do this. So in my previous video I have created a Google Classroom. Just go to that Google Classroom, and once you have that Google Classroom what you have created, just go to a tab of people. So in this people tab there are two sections, as you can see, that is teachers and students. You can invite the students here using this link. You can even copy this link and give it to your students, or you can just type here the mail ID. You can add here number of students, thousands, and can invite them to your class. You can even take some actions like email or remove them, right? If you want some particular person to be removed, then you can do it easily using this tab. Okay, so let me show you how it works if you have added the student. So let's invite. The student will receive the invitation in this way. Once the student clicks on join, it will be automatically joined, and now if you will refresh your screen, you can see that the number of students that has confirmed your invitation and has joined. You can send the email to all the students here at once, or you can send them individually. If you want to remove any student, you can just click and remove. In this way you can add students in your classroom and also delete them if you want to change something. You can also add the students by sending them this particular invite link, by sending them this particular class code, or you can also copy the invite link from here. So there are different methods that you can use to invite students to your particular class. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.